Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I'm gonna teach you question number 5, part 1. X square minus 1 by x square plus and x4. So we can easily see that there are two terms. First term is this and second term is this. First of all, we will consider both of these two terms. For example, we consider this term as let y is equal to x square minus 1 by x square, and we consider this term as u is equal to x raised to power 4. Now we name this equation as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Differentiate. So we will first of all differentiate equation 1. In the right side variable is x, so we will differentiate with respect to x. Whatever variable is in the right side, we will differentiate with respect to of that variable. Here variable is x, so we will differentiate with respect to x. What we get? dy by dx. d by dx x square minus d by dx 1 by x square. Variable is in the denominator. When we take in the numerator, positive 2 becomes negative 2. So derivative of x square is, here we apply power rule. According to power rule, what does power say? D raised to x raised to power n and x n minus 1. So here n is 2 and x and 2 minus 1 becomes 1. Now here again we apply power rule. According to power rule, n is minus 2, x is simple x, and x n minus 1, n is minus 2. So we'll solve 2x minus minus plus 2, x raised to power minus minus plus 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1 3, sign minus. Now 2x plus, we'll take x cube in the denominator. Now we'll take LCM. LCM is x cube. X cube is divided by 1. X cube is divided by 1. What it gives? X cube. So multiply by x cube. This is our LCM, x cube. Denominator is divided by denominator. Denominator divided by denominator, and the answer gives multiply by numerator. 2x into x4 gives 2x4 plus 2. So we'll take 2 common. X4 plus 1 divided by x cube. Now we will differentiate equation 2. So here differentiate equation 2. Here we can see that variable is x, so we will differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. du by dx is equal to d by dx x raised to power 4. Here again we will apply power rule. According to power rule, what it gives? X raised to power n, and n is 4, x n minus 1. 4 minus 1, what it gives? Cube. Now this is du by dx and this is dy by dx. Now by applying chain rule, how to apply chain rule? We will dy by du. So we want to find the value of dy by du, because we consider this term and this term. We consider this term and this term, so we will apply chain rule by using these two considered terms. dy by du is equal to dy by dx dot dx by du. Now we'll use the value dy by dx is 2x raised to power 4 plus 1 divided by x cube, and dx by du by dx is 4x cube, so we will write 1 by 4 x raised to power cube. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, so x4 plus 1, x cube into x cube becomes x cube dot x cube. When the base is same, powers will be added, so x raised to power 6. This is our required answer.